you all doing good, because the girl over here niko salama kama K kama dawa. If you're stopping here for the first time, my good name is Mariana Katana. Feel welcomed because we love visitors. And if you're a returning subscriber, guys, thank you for always coming back to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos and support your girl. It really means a lot, and may God bless you. So today I have a very short and sweet video. I don't know whether it will be short, but I'm going to try and make it short. So what I'll be doing is I'll be organizing the fridge with you guys. So I'll take you guys with me so that you can see how I do it. Then I'll be preparing supper, which is chapati and peas stew. So yeah, I make some soft layered chapatis, and you'll see my procedure, which is easy guys. Hakuna kitu extraordinary natumianga. You're just going to see how I do it, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a like and a comment down below. I love you guys.
Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
So guys, this is what I'll be organizing. Organizing. Here, this is what I'll be organizing. It's not a lot, but yeah, we are somewhere. So I hope you're going to enjoy the video.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change.
So guys, then I have my sugar cane. I like putting it in the fridge. Then if I want to take it, nitatoa and nikule. In a slapingi, oh my god, wow, in a slapingi, you should try it. And my oranges, and my pineapple.
Back a year ago.
Guys, I have my dania. Sijui ni wapi niliona zinafaa kustoiwa hivi. Though sijui kai haki tawak. Ama sijui kama nimeifanya the wrong way, but let me put them here. Then We are going to see how that goes. So I think basically that's everything yenye niko nayo. So that's the upper compartment. Alafu we have that, that, and that. So yeah. So I have pili pili. I have lemon and lime.
So guys, I'm done organizing the fridge and the other things that I did a haul on. So if you've not watched my shopping haul, go to my videos and please watch. I'm sure you're going to enjoy. So right now I want to prepare chapati, alafu I'm going to prepare the stew baadaye. Stay tuned and see how I come up with soft layered chapatis. Be my guest. So yeah, good morning guys. This is the next morning. Jana tuliachana nikipika chapati guys, and my phone died. It was late. We had a visitor coming, so singeweza kushikanisha all that ongoing, so that's why sikumaliza kurecord, but I'm sure I'm going to do a video of that one of these fine days. So saini asubuhi nataka kuamkia the food yenye remain jana. I'm going to show you that because sikuonyesha jana. So I'm going to show you how my chapati turned out and how the stew turned out. So guys, this is what we took yesterday. So here are my chapatis, as you can see, very soft, very layered. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Then tukakuwa na stew, the Kikuyu stew of beef, waru, beef, yeah. So that was it. Alafu please, if you know how naweza kuwa nikiweka chapati zangu after cooking, please leave a comment below, because weka sahi nimeziweka hapa alafu nazifunga na aluminium foil. So if you know a hack that I can use, please leave a comment below. I will really appreciate it. So yeah. Hello guys. So yeah, I want to close this video. Was it a mini vlog? I'm not sure, but I want to close it up. But I want to show you some of my, I don't want to call them faves, but as I told you on my earlier vlog, I was going to start my makeup journey to keep myself busy, to keep myself distracted. Yeah. So that's why today you can see this was my first trial, my first day trial. So let me show you what I have. So guys, here is everything. I'm going to show you one by one my basic makeup, what I usually use on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, let's get into the video. I hope you're going to enjoy. So the first thing that I have is this pouch that I use to put my makeup brushes. Sasa nimeosha zingine na niko na kaa tutatu hapa mtaona. So isn't it? It's just a starter package. So yeah. So we have this eyeshadow palette. It's the Camini one. So yeah, it looks like a pouch. So yeah, it's good for traveling if you do. So I also have this LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. Yeah, I'm going to nitaanza na hii alafu nikiona haiwork maybe naweza change baadaye, but for now it does the work for me. Then I have this Katini setting spray. It's also from LA Girl. Yeah. Alafu we have a all day primer. It's a very very small, but it's also from LA. Nimejirepeat hapo. We have a primer from LA Girl. Alafu we have a loose powder from Benigné kitu kaa hiyo. Nilibai tudogo ndio in case hazita work na uso yangu ni change. Alafu we have this powder. Yeah, we have this powder. Then we have a concealer, and which is not my shade color. It's slightly dark than me, but ndio nimetumia. So yeah. So we also have this LA Girl lip gloss matte kitu kaa hiyo. Hii ndio nimejipaka, and I love how it's feeling on my lips. Very light. I love it. I just love it. And it's the first day that I've applied it. So yeah. I also have this NARS red lipstick. I've not yet used it, but I'm sure going to use it. You're going to see that in my videos if I do. So we also have eyelash glue. It's the normal one. I think most of you guys mnaijua. Nime decide kwenda na the dark one. Then we have these two eye pencils. So I have the black opal one, color number 2, but it's the brown one, brown in color number 2. Then we have the Davis eye pencil in the color number 3. Yeah. Sai nimetumia Davis, as you can see. Nimetumia Davis and I like it. It's worth it. Then we have... So guys, on to the next products. We have this mascara. Yeah, bado sijaitumia though. Imeandikwa Huda Beauty. Yeah, from Huda Beauty. Alafu we have this eyeliner, also from Huda Beauty. I think you can see it. I love the packaging. Wow. So yeah. I'm going to do a full face makeup, and mtaona vile ita turn up, sijui ita backfire, but anyway, I'm going to give you the real outcome. Then we have this lip liner. It's from Kajal, the Colossal Kajal. Hii ndio nimetumia leo, and I love it kabisa. Then we have a beauty blender, which is dirty because I've used it. And then we have a pair of scissors, because I'm manifesting, guys. I'm manifesting that one day nita own wigs, and I'm going to use these scissors kukata lace. So pray for me in the comment sections. Then we have my makeup brushes. Hizi ni zile ndogo cause nimeosha hizo zingine. So zenye papa zimekauka ni hizi. My makeup brushes, yeah. So basically guys, that's my beginner makeup products that I own. I'm looking forward to knowing more of this thing and getting to try new things and new hacks. And I hope that when that time comes, I'll be ready, and I'll be in the right space of recording it so that I can share the journey with you guys. Otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you've related with it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below. I love you guys. Bye bye.